Okay. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. Hey, how's it going out there, you guys? I'm Veggie Rolls. If this is your first time stopping by, don't forget to go ahead and click on that subscribe button. It looks like this and the little notification bell next to it so that you will be notified every time a new video goes up, which is every Monday, Wednesday, and sweet Saturday. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very simple, very simple sweet Saturday recipe. And that is going to be a Funfetti mug cake. So it's going to be for those times where you're just kind of like craving something sweet and you just don't feel like making a whole cake and you just want to like kind of like sneak a little cake while everybody's sleeping and no one will ever know and you don't have to share kind of times. Did I just air out my business? Whoops. Let's get veggie. Shall we get started? Yes. All right, so we're going to get started with 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We're going to be adding to the flour half a teaspoon of baking powder. And we're also going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of packed brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And we're going to go ahead and mix that up. And you know what? Let's also add our half a teaspoon of sprinkles for our funfetti. You can completely leave that out if you don't want to do like a sprinkled little cake kind of thing. There was also a pinch of salt in that dry mix. Next, I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of vegan butter that has been softened. And I also have our milk here, 3 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk. You can use any non-dairy milk which you prefer. And I'm just going to like break up our butter into our mix. You can, of course, mix your sugar with your mix your sugar with your butter to like cream it, but you don't necessarily have to. This is just like a little cake that's gonna go into the microwave. Not a big deal. I'm also gonna be adding in 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and I just kind of like eyeball that. This is as long as you get like everything else measured right, you can just eyeball the vanilla. You can add more or less sprinkles. You don't have to add them in at all. Now you can use a mug at this point, but I'm going to be using this little Valentine's Day inspired heart sort of little what is it called, like ramekin, but it holds the same amount that a mug would hold. And I'm going to go ahead and just pour in our little batter in there. Oh yes, no egg, so you can eat all of it just like that if you like. Even though I'm sure it's probably not the best idea. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead, pour this in to our either a little ramekin or a mug. Just tap, 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 tap. And I'm gonna go ahead and place this into the microwave on high for 45 seconds to a minute. You can put this all the way up to about 1.5 minutes, depending on your microwave like strength or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, place this into the oven or into the microwave, and I'll be right back and show you what it looks like. All right, so here we go. I've had it in the microwave for about 1 minute and 45 seconds. It really depends. You just want to make sure that when you get it out of the oven, it feels nice and firm all over and nice and dry, especially in the center. You can stick a fork in it, or I'm sorry, a little a toothpick to see if it's ready in the center. But yeah, that's it. All right, guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test cam. We're gonna go ahead and taste our yummy little Funfetti mug cake. Here we go. Oh yeah. Yum. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this if all you're doing is sticking some like batter in the microwave. Absolutely delicious. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. So that is that, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and hashtag veggie rolls, hashtag let's get veggie if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes on this channel. I would love to see what you made, and I would love to see what you think about it. And yeah, I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Bye, guys.